Hi guys, welcome back. Peter Webster here again. What's the matter now? Right guys, today 3 unboxings today. Well, 3 deliveries should I say, not necessarily unboxings. As always, I'm here with my gorgeous wife Maria and Mark at the back. Here we go. Hi bro.
Hello fans.
Look at that. He's got fans now. So yeah, he's got more Instagram followers than I have.
Fans or funny.
Right, let's start off with this one, the easy one first. Now, this is not a telly, Sanguiniceps. I don't know whether my wife can get, if I can try and open it up, hopefully she won't do a bit of a bitch on me and fly out. Right. Right, there she is down there. She's a mature female. Can you see it? And I bought her off my good friend Stephen Millward. Over the moon with her. That's the new one to the collection. Pop her there a moment. Next we had Nordros Spider Shop. I've took it all out of the packaging and everything because it just drives me around the wall. And so I had 5 things from Spider Shop, but only 2 for myself. So put that one there. I think I've cooked them actually. Let's make sure they're alright. Right, we have Lassiodoroides. I'm just trying to work it out. It's Polly.
Put the kettle on.
Yes, Spulcus. Polly, stick it up your usses.
Stick the kettle on.
It's a spider. Right, hang on. Are you alright in there, little guy? Oh yeah, of course you are. Yeah, dear, I'll let you pass it in a little bit. Now the camera's there and on your phone, babe. So that's that little dude. I think this is the Peruvian blonde, was it? Yeah. Yeah, it was only the one same as yours.
Yeah.
The Peruvian blonde, that's right. Right, the next one is a sub-adult to adult female, an Ephibopus uatuman, aka the emerald skeleton leg. Now, this one's already a top, so bear with me guys, I might not be able to show you. I might. Right, quickly. And there she is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous looking little girl. Right, that's delivery number 2. Oh dear. Couldn't send that bag with her. A bag of rubbish there, couldn't send that to Kirsty's. Half full. Right, and the final rehousing. What am I getting this rehousing from? unboxing is from the legend and a good friend Tony Webb. It's the Venomous Visions. I know, a bit over the top, guys, but I can't find my knife. I've sent them all out, so I never think about kept myself one. So I'll just use what's to hand. And oh shit, there's packing peanuts. Right, babe. Oh, pass that box over, bro. As always, the calling card, Mr. Centipede. Wow, I like that one. That's sweet, isn't it? But for a nice sticker, guys. Have that by your bedside table, bro.
Centipede.
Yeah? It's a centipede eating a large locust.
You can keep it.
Bless him, he don't like centipedes, Mark. I don't know why.
That bloody horrible thing, that's why.
I really don't understand, not being funny, but where's the sticker now?
There.
Oh. Sorry guys, my eyes are playing up today. I don't know which end the arse is at. Make sure there's nothing in there. I don't need that there, sorry. What do you guys think about the next chapter of the coronavirus lockdown? For me, I don't go out anyway, so it's just another day for me. So I should have more time to spend in the invertarium, and I am desperate to get some projects completed. I have an amazing huge printer sold square by that down here, 3D printer, an FDM one, and I'm trying to get hold of doing that, but it'll come in time. Plus I've got my R2D2 to finish. I've got to build the Terminator T800 yet, and 5 aeroplanes, 4 radio control cars, drones, 6 drones, a working 2-stroke engine that's going into a chassis. That's got to be built up yet. It's 130 parts in a box, and I'm putting that into a crawler chassis. So loads to come. Pop the email away. Yeah. Now, as expected, I would have thought by now, from Tony Webb, he always sends me updates of what he's had coming in, and this is the latest addition to his arsenal of centipedes, which I have every one of them now, except my Gigantia, which don't know what happened to it, so I'm not going there. But this one is the Malaysian Jewel Highland Centipede, subspinoids genus, but the Malaysian Jewel. And if you could show that to the camera a bit closer up. When the light's on it, guys, it sparkles. It's absolutely gorgeous. South Malaysian Jewel Centipede. There it is. Why didn't I just show that in the first place?
I thought that.
Yeah. And anyhow, I've had one of these guys before, but it didn't last very long. It died in unknown circumstances. Alright, come on, open up. And this is one Mark's been looking forward to seeing as well, because he's never actually seen one. And this is the last one Tony had in stock. So I thought, well, I haven't got one now, so I might as well. And I bought this one as well. Use pound shop sellotape next time, Tony. You get the buggers out easier. I'll tell you what it is. It's a Barrel Estes Scutatus, aka the Cameroon Crab Spider. I'm not sure how big it is. Oh wow. I can't take any more out of there, can I really? That is absolutely gorgeous. Bro, you're going to love this, it's massive. Can you, yeah, well, I'll get you. You see? That's as much as I'm going to mess with her. And this is a female, if I remember correctly. Well happy with her, thank you Tony Webb, you're an absolute gent. And an amazing good friend. Right. Now before I pack this video up, just one quick thing I want to talk about. I was looking around for something to buy in the week, and I've actually bought, like, it's an educational thing really for kids, but I thought I'm going to upload it on my channel, do a review of this particular thing. It's in the toy section of the Argos. I'll probably get a knockdown for that now, for telling the brands what's arsehole to it. It's absolutely, what it is, guys. It's a, what would you say, bro? Excavation set, yeah. You get 3 like balls of soft clay, and these are made by the National Geographical, so they are good and very good for kids who want to learn about invertebrates. What else was there before I carry on? I said
Beetles.
No, that's right, bro. Right, yes. Anyway, you get three animals in here for the kids to open, and once open them out of the clay, after they've excavated, so to speak, they'll be presented with a resin cast real animals. And in the set that I've got, what I was going to show you me doing on my channel, if you're interested. If not, I won't bother. The first one is a scorpion, but they don't put the species of the scorpion. By the looks of it, it's an Asian of some description. The next one is a fortune beetle, which is blue and like rainbowish colours. Really pretty beetle. I'd love to get some real ones alive, not cast in plastic. And the other one, which I've always been fascinated with myself, but I've never been able to find out where I could get them from, and that's the Spiny Spider. So, if what's the matter?
South is phoning me.
Yeah.
South is phoning.
Who's phoning?
Southie.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. Should we carry on or? Anyway, if you like the sound of that and you want to see me do that on the channel, guys, then please like, comment and subscribe. I've got a dash now because time's getting on. Mark needs to get home and my daughter's trying to phone them home. So, from me, Peter Webster, love you all guys. Take care, have fun. Bye bye and stay safe guys please from me. Bye bye.